Hello everybody, welcome to another day here working on my Chevy LUV. I've been a little busy in a way, so I finally am getting back to it, but I managed to come back a couple days ago and work on a couple other things, but I thought I'd show you what stuff I've been able to work on last time. Was first we'll clean up the hump, the welds a little bit better on that, but then I spent most of my time on this cross member, so I was just sanding it down and cleaning up the welds. We actually pulled this from my dad's old truck bed trailer. It's called the Shagregla. He bought it from an old carpet company. They might still be out actually. But yeah, I was cleaning that off and I just finished that off today. So now I'm going to coral seal that. And then once I'm done with that, I'm going to put some holes in my center console so we can get ready to primer that and weld that in. So this is the famous Shagregla. This thing is older than I am, and obviously looks like it with all the rust that's been going on. We use it for the canoe, but I got that cross member out of here because we needed a new one. So it just came out right there, and I took a sawzall and just cut it right out. Well, there's those tiny little holes that I was able to put in, so I believe the next step will be just primering it, and then maybe hopefully eventually soon we can get that welded in. Well, I got super excited for a little bit because I thought I was going to be able to primer the center hump right there today. I was really excited because I haven't primered anything since doing the engine block for the truck, but I was changing my wife's oil, and a dumb shop, it looks like they used an impact drill and stripped the crap out of it, so that's been taking us way longer than we needed to, and so that's going to be our first priority for the night. But thanks for watching, guys. You have a good one.